Hello, my name is Bridget. This is my January book haul, and I have a lot of books to show you guys today. Keep in mind, I didn't buy all of these. We're clearing out my grandmom's house, so she had a lot of books, and I decided to take some. I have 19 books to show you, so let's get started. Alice in Wonderland, Andersen's Fairy Tales, Hans Brinker or The Silver Skate, Black Beauty, Arabian Nights Fairy Tales, Pinocchio, The Black Arrow, The Master of Belantre, Treasure Island, Virginibus Puerasque. I'm sorry if I butchered that name. New Arabian Nights, Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde, Kidnapped, A Child's Garden of Verses, Prince Otto. These are the books I actually bought myself. The Whispers of the Fallen and Rebellion, both by J.D. Netto. They sounded good. They were signed. I was like, I'm buying them. Alan Turing, The Enigma. I saw The Imitation Game a week or so ago, and I absolutely loved it, and I was like, I need to buy the book so I can read it. I got the book, and I was like, oh my god, that's huge. So we shall see when I'm going to be reading that. Probably going to be during a duodecathon sometime in the future. Hopefully I get to it soon. I don't know because I'm sort of scared about how big it is. We'll see. I might spend like a whole month just reading this book. I don't know. The Assassin's Blade by Sarah J. Maas, which is a collection of Throne of Glass novellas. I'm really excited to read this because I read Throne of Glass in December and I loved it. Hopefully I'll get to this soon. Inked by Eric Smith, which only comes as an ebook or else I would have it as a physical book. Those were all 19 books I got in January. I know this is late because it's February when I'm filming this, but I got all these books in January, and I felt like I needed to do a book haul because I'm not going to do a January-February book haul. That would be huge. My birthday's in February. Probably gonna get books for that. Don't even have space on my shelf for all of these. All those books I got from my grandma's house, they're gonna sit in a box until I get more room. I can't fit these books. They're just sort of stacking on top of each other. I'm not gonna be doing a bookshelf tour yet, because they need to be all nice and pretty before I do that. When I have time and when I get more shelves. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day. Farewell. I'm not picking up all those books I got from my grandma's house for my photo.